Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can summarize long articles with AI in ChatGPT, guys. Actually really easy and simple. It's actually free, guys. So what you can do, for example, I want this article, the European spruce bark of beetle, right? We're going to get this article and I am going to summarize it. So what you can do, of course, you can copy paste things. Like you can do this. You can just copy everything, you know, and paste this into ChatGPT, maybe till here, and then ask it to summarize the article, or you can just do this. Just copy the link. Nowadays in ChatGPT, you don't even have to copy paste like text. You just say summarize the article below, and then you put a colon right there, and the next line just put the link. Literally that easy and simple, and ChatGPT will summarize the article for you guys. Check this out. Summarize that article for me. Okay? Give it that prompt, and now it is going to start summarizing it for you. And then this is a simple summary. I can ask it to write it in 10 main bullet points briefly, right? So I'm gonna ask it to do that. Look at this. So this is an easy summary. It's a scientific name. It's a common pest affecting tree. So you can play around with this, guys. You can do a lot of different styles, whatever style you want. You can do explain it to me like I am a 5-year-old. Okay, you can do that as well. You can summarize articles like that and explain to you. See, it's very easy. It's this tiny bug that likes to eat the bark of a spruce tree. So it can basically summarize things for you in different ways, guys. Whatever you want, you can play around with the prompts and you can get some good results, guys. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you hit that like button, guys. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Nowadays, guys, you can just use the link of the website and copy paste it right there, or you can just copy text manually if you want. Until next time.